I'm going to show you how to create an end screen with some text on it. The first thing I'll do is tap the icon in the upper left corner and select Files. I'll find my YouTube end cards file from my video graphics folder. This clip is exactly 20 seconds long. I'm going to drop it in the main track. Next, I'll place my channel logo on top of that. I'll tap the upper left icon once more and select Titles and choose the preset. I'll drop it on top of the main track. I'll have to make sure the two clips line up properly by extending the end of my channel logo out so that it lines up with the end of my black clip. Each clip should be exactly 20 seconds long. Now that that's in place, I'll add some text. Here's another preset title that I use for most of my thumbnails. I'll drag the end out until it lines up with the other two clips exactly. I could duplicate each title clip, but I don't want any interruptions throughout the entire 20-second video clip. Once all the clips line up, I can double tap on the top clip to open the clip editor. Now I'll remove one of the text boxes. I like the size and position of the top text box, so I'll remove the other one by selecting it and then tapping the trash can icon to delete it. Tap on the How-To box and double tap it to bring up the on-screen keyboard and text editor. Then I'll type "Thanks for watching" and place it in the middle of the screen. When I'm done typing, I'll tap on Done and then change the font and place it like that. That font looks good, but I like Avenir Next Condensed Heavy. That's what I've got so far. I'll duplicate that clip and place it on top and line it up properly with the other clips. Then I'll double tap my new clip to open the clip editor. I'll move the text down to the bottom of the screen. Then I'll double tap the text to bring up the keyboard and type "Remember to subscribe." Once I'm done typing, I'll tap Done and change the font. I'll use Avenir Next Condensed Heavy. That looks good. That's the final end screen. Since there will be elements over top, I can blur out the logo. I'll go back to the main timeline and then add a preset. I'll tap the Presets icon, tap on the Effects presets, and choose My Logo Blur. This is a 20% Gaussian blur with some vibrance added. You can see the logo, but it won't be obscured, and I think it looks cool. This photo is a snapshot of the end of one of my YouTube videos. If I drag it into the timeline and place it on top of my end screen, then pull down the opacity to about 50%, I'll be able to see my end screen through this photo, which will give me an idea of exactly where the text I've added will appear when I upload a video to YouTube. There it is in full screen. Now I can remove the photo by tapping the trash can. Now I'll tap on the export icon, choose Movie, and then choose Photos because I'm going to save this on my iPad. I'll set the resolution to 1080p. This is the resolution I use for YouTube. The export will then begin. Once this is finished, you'll be able to find your video clip in your photo roll. You can move it to your iCloud drive later. I'll do that once I decide if this will be the final version I'm going to use in all future videos. If you have comments or questions, put them below. And remember to make your editing software work for you and not the other way around.